Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a dog catching a skeleton game. So basically the dog jumps and the skeleton's up there and you catch him. So I think one time I made a similar game like with like a parrot and like owl game, but this is just like an easier version of the game. So if I'm correct, then I guess that's what it is. So anyways, let's get started. First we'll go here and choose the dog sprite, okay? I like this one. So I'll pick that. Next, we'll make a skeleton. Okay, there. Since dogs like bones, I decided to add this. So now we'll change the skeleton size maybe to 75. Put it here. Now let's choose a backdrop. Let's make a simple blue sky one. Okay, that looks nice. Now let's start with the code. When flag clicked, go to front layer, then go to X, 0, and then this is minus 150. Okay, now we'll drag forever. If on edge bounce. We'll drag the if on edge bounce block here. And then after we drag the if on edge bounce, we'll drag two if statements like this. If, and then we'll drag one sensing, and then we'll drag key pressed in here, and then we'll make this left, and then we'll make this one right. Oops. Okay, now after that's done, we'll go and make this move steps, and then we'll make the point and direction thing. Okay, point in direction, then if the left arrow is pressed, point in direction minus 90, move 10 steps, and the right one, we'll just keep it like this. Okay, now let's test it out. And also, we don't want this to happen, so do you know what we'll do? We'll first go and click direction, click the center of warping, and then after that's done, it'll look like this, not like, you know. Yeah, so then after that, we'll drag on space key one. When space key is pressed, then we'll repeat 15 times. Okay? Then we'll do change y by 10 over here, and then change y by 10. Okay, and now we'll drag another repeat 15 block, or we'll just duplicate it and duplicate this, and then we'll make this change y by minus 10, so you know it goes back. Okay, now after that is done, we will go and make one more when flag clicked. When flag clicked, set score to 0. We'll make a variable called score. Okay, now we'll drag this and make it set score to 0. And then if touching skeleton, we'll drag this if block, and if touching skeleton, and then after that we'll go and broadcast I got bones. Let's call this bones. Okay, just call this dot. Okay, if touching bones, then broadcast I got bones. Okay, now after that is broadcasted, we will go and drag another one more block. We'll go here and drag when I receive message, and we'll make this I got bones. Change score by 1. So you know. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so we haven't done the other code yet. So let's start with his code. Okay? Now, when flag click hide, and then after that we will drag the hide block like this. And then we'll drag forever wait random 1 to 3 seconds. Okay? Now after that we will go to let's add trees to this background to make it nice. Let's add this, this, and this. We'll arrange them in such order. Maybe like this. Let's make the skeleton go to front layer too. So before let's go here and make the skeleton go to front layer. Okay? And then after that we will go and wait random 1 to 3 seconds, and then go to we'll drag this. We will go here and make this tree. Okay? And then after that we will go random 1, 2, 3. And then we'll actually delete this one and make this go to random position. We'll make this go to join tree, pick random 1 to 3. Okay, so then we'll drag that block here. Let's make this trees actually, so it doesn't confuse it. So after that, 1 to 3, and then change X by, let's drag this block. Change X by minus 50. Wait, change x by random minus 50 to 50. Okay? And then change y. Let's drag the change y block. Change y by 75. And wait. Yeah, let's do this. And then we'll drag the show block. Okay, show is over here. Okay, and then after show, we'll make it wait 2 seconds. Not wait 1 second, but 2 seconds. And hide. For now, we'll make it hide. Okay, and one more thing. Let's add when I receive, I got bones, and then we will make him hide. Now we'll make the game start. Wait, I think I forgot to add something. So let's go back to this code, and when I receive, I got bones. Oh yeah, I accidentally dragged this block. Change score by 1. Now let's go. And actually, let's drag the forever block. Wait. Let's drag this forever block so it doesn't mess this up. Okay, now let's start again. Wait, so it's adding score infinitely. Let's make it wait 1 second so the score doesn't like add infinitely. Now let's start. Okay. Wait. Okay. There we go. This is working now. Now I have to time it perfectly. And there we go. You can also hold the thing to jump, but if you move, the thing resets. You can't like jump. If you can't reach, sometimes it will go up. So you'll just have to wait till you can have a good grip of it. And catch. Okay, there. Okay, now that I've shown you my game, let me show you something else. So, as I told you last episode, I made a Scratch account. And just so you know, I posted like a few of our previous Scratch projects, and sometimes I like changed them a bit, so I guess you could check them out. So here's my stuff. So like half an hour ago, well, when I released the video, not half an hour, but when I'm recording this video, I made it like 30 minutes ago, and I did this 3 days ago, and I did this 3 days ago. I'm gonna keep adding them whenever I can, so you guys can, like, if for some reason, like, you can't do it right now, or if you just want help, direct help, or if you're just too lazy to make it, you can just, like, go on my page and watch my stuff. You can also go here to have fun too. So, yeah. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and until next time, goodbye.